So the insurance market is very competitive, and just waiting around for referrals or relying on cold calls really is not enough anymore. If you're serious about scaling your agency, whether you're an independent agent or a captive agent, you really need some smart digital strategies to attract and engage your ideal prospects. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is lead magnets. Lead magnets, when they are done right, don't just capture contact information, they will actually begin the trust building process that will turn those cold leads into loyal clients. And so, as we get into today's episode, I'm going to walk you through some lead magnets that you can deploy in your agency and in your business that, when done correctly, can really help you build a solid agency, can help you scale quickly, and help you keep a consistent lead flow. The first one is risk assessments. And what these do is they establish trust early, and they're going to help you create a personalization. And risk assessments are a personalized tool. It's a really ideal way of creating that personal touch quickly by offering a brief, insightful evaluation of the client's potential risks, whether that's personal, home, auto, or business. What you're doing is you're positioning yourself as an expert advisor and guide. And it really kind of gets you out of that salesy appearance. And so you can use the results to show prospects how your insurance solutions can minimize those risks. And then highlighting this kind of value is actually going to build credibility and set the stage for much deeper conversations. Of course, a tried and true lead magnet is the good old free consultation. Free consultations are really underrated, but they are one of the best lead magnets that you can use because they allow potential clients to get familiar with your agency, to ask questions, and understand your approach without pressure. For you as an agent, it is a golden opportunity to assess needs and educate your client and demonstrate the value of your services. Just make sure that your consultations include a clear call to action and that they are promoted across your website. Just constantly be offering that free consultation. Put those on your social media channels, include them in your email marketing, and when you position these correctly, free consultations become a powerful bridge from curiosity to actual conversations. Now, another really key piece is educational guides. This is one of my favorite lead magnets. Well crafted guides can become evergreen lead generation tools, whether it's 10 things every first time homeowner needs to know about insurance, or how to choose the right Medicare plan. Educational content will help build authority and trust. So think about guides that compare insurance options or explain confusing terms or provide good cost saving tips for the consumer. Now, make sure that your content is genuinely useful. Don't just recycle generic material. Be sure to personalize it towards you so that it positions you as the expert. And then always gate the download behind some sort of short form that requires the prospect to give their email address so you can put them into a nurture sequence in your CRM. Now, another favorite that I love to use is webinars. Webinars offer a dynamic way to engage with your audience in real time. Hosting a live or even a pre-recorded session for that matter on just a regular, timely, niche topic gives prospects a chance to interact with you and to ask questions. And to register, attendees must provide contact details, and that will help grow your email list. And then choose topics that align with common pain points. navigating Medicare enrollment, how life insurance fits into your financial plan, or what every small business owner needs to know about liability coverage. And then promote those webinars with targeted social media ads, your email list, and then local online communities to maximize your attendance. Use ebooks. Ebooks allow you to go more in depth than just a blog post or a simple checklist, and they are especially effective when they are designed around a comprehensive topic that prospects really care about, such as the ultimate guide to protecting your family's financial future, or even the small business owner's insurance toolkit. And here's one of the things you'll find about ebooks is it makes you a published author. And because you're a published author, that just ramps up your expertise level exponentially. So be sure to offer ebooks in exchange for email signups and host them prominently on your website. Just like guides, webinars, ebooks are going to position you as an authority, not just a salesperson. And then, of course, case studies. Case studies are golden. Nothing beats the power of a real success story, because case studies showcase how your agency has helped actual clients overcome real challenges and get real peace of mind in their situation. They are especially effective when they include testimonials and quantifiable outcomes and very relatable client profiles, where the listener or the viewer can take a look at that case study or listen to that case study and go, hey, that person sounds just like me. So use storytelling to paint a vivid picture of your service in action, and then include those case studies as downloadable PDFs or feature them on your website with some type of form fill to access more detailed versions. And then encourage satisfied clients to share their stories as well. And remember, authentic voices are going to build credibility in ways that sales pitches simply cannot deliver on. Now, when you create a lead magnet, that's just the first step. To get real ROI, you're going to need to promote those lead magnets effectively. So be sure to leverage your social media, your email marketing, your Google business profile, and high converting landing pages to drive real attention and engagement. And remember, the best lead magnets are going to be both valuable and relevant. So keep your content fresh, your messaging clear, and your follow-up timely. Now, if you need help developing a strategy around lead magnets and developing your prospect list or just your overall strategy, give us a call here at Agent Branding and Marketing or schedule a strategy session with you. We'd love to be a growth partner with your agency. You can do that at agentbrandingandmarketing.com/schedule. And as always, I look forward to talking with you in our next episode.